today we have Chandrakant with us, who is an AVP in Base 24 team, testing team, and he has completed more than 11 years with Consulto. So we welcome Chandrakant. Hi Chandrakant, how are you?
Hi Rini, I am very well. What about you? I hope you are enjoying these interviews.
Yeah, probably
and
yes.
Having fun.
I am getting to interact with people as I'm new in this company. So through Zoom, I am interacting with everyone.
Yeah. So I hope you are having fun.
Yeah, I'm having fun. So Chandrakant, I wanted to know how long this journey was and how was your experience about Consulto?
So the journey has been brilliant so far, and who keep track of the time when you have so many good colleagues and mentors around you. So time just flies. So I have never thought of how many years I have spent in Concerto as such. It's like an extended family for me. So basically, if I talk about the company, then Concerto has not only helped me building and shaping my career, it has also helped bringing in prosperity in my personal life. And on top of that, as I said, there are so many good people around you, helping you, supporting you, encouraging you during all your good and bad times. What else one can expect, right, from your work life?
Correct.
So it has been great. And one thing is basically Concerto has provided me a platform where it has not only enabled my personal growth, but it has also allowed me to share my knowledge and mentor the young talents during their initial stages of their career. So, and it feels great when they, actually goes out, perform in challenging environments, okay, in domestic as well as international markets. So it feels great. So that's about it. It has been a great journey so far.
So any point of time you remember, any moment you remember that is the best part in this 11 years which has happened to you? Any project?
There are so many projects, but the best part I can say, the best thing that happened to me is I've joined Concerto.
Great.
That is the best part I can say.
So I think so it has been, this is the 13th year and you have been associated with Concerto when it was a small, you can say, with what I have heard, that a small and then growing to a big company.
Correct. So it's basically, we work towards our mutual growth, right? So so company is also not thinking from only from the company perspective, and the employees are again not thinking from their own personal perspective.
Correct.
So both are mutually helping each other grow, and this is how big companies grow. So this is what I think about, this is how one should approach their careers. So we should grow together.
Correct. So how is this pandemic and work treating you? It's been now 1.5 years. This pandemic is going on. So there may be so many challenges. So how you deal with them?
So basically these are hard times for us. When this pandemic started, actually we have been pushed to work from home. So actually talking about personally, I never thought that I would be working from home successfully, because when I'm at home, I never thought of working. So I'm at peace basically. I never thought of work. So it was challenging for me initially when it was started, but later on I got used to it, and now a bit comfortable working from home. So now it will not matter that much. whether I'm working from home or office. So the work is going on well.
This time will also
And
pass.
yeah, obviously, yes. Change is inevitable.
Yes, true. So any event like this, we have been missing the annual day from last year. This year also we'll be missing the get-togethers. So what is the event you are going to miss? Or you are going? You are missing it?
Yeah. We are missing all the events. Not only events, we are also missing out on our day-to-day work lives also.
Correct.
Because that also plays a big role, right?
Right.
You get to coordinate with a lot of peoples, and that helps you in growing, right? Learning new things and all.
So
Obviously I miss all the events.
Yeah, true. So any message for all the people who are listening you, all the consultants who are listening to how to manage the stress, work, pandemic?
I'm not expert in advising people, but I can share my personal experiences with respect to managing your personal life, your health during this pandemic times, which is, I think, more important, because if you are healthy, then only you will be able to work efficiently. So one small advice I can say is mind your food, because basically the outcomes, what you see, the lifestyle diseases or whatever, this is mainly linked to what you are eating.
Correct.
So that's my one advice: mind your food.
So that is all you will advise, that mind your food, take care of your health, and work stress-free.
Yes, because as I said, if you are healthy, then only you will be able to work efficiently. The rest will be taken care automatically.
Yeah, true.
And we are always there to help you guys, in technical perspective, but we will not be able to help you from your health perspective. That everybody, it's their personal interest, and they should take personal interest to be healthy.
Correct. So everybody should be fit and fine to work.
Yes.
Thank you, Chandrakant, for connecting with us and sharing your experiences around that with us. Hope you and your family remain safe in this pandemic, and we will see you soon in office. Normal office back. We'll all jump up in the office. Thank you so much for connecting.
Yeah, thanks a lot.